Hi everyone, I'm here to give out the Year 10 awards. The Improvement Awards. Art, Annabelle Arnold. Biology, Sissy Hu. Chemistry, Sana Soar. Computer Science, Christina Hilton. Drama, Esme Sladen. DT, Anissa Rahman. English, Stephanie Bajaj. Food, Lauren Eckersley. French, Alejandra Timms. Geography, Jitong Yi. German, Natasha McCracken. Greek, Eleanor Day Hartshorn. History, Olivia Mauji. Latin, Georgina Jordan Kinsella. Mathematics, Christina Hilton. Music, Harriet Watkinson. Physics, Naomi Owen. And Religious Studies, Ruby Hayes. Now on to the Subject Scholars Awards. Art, Zora Hepworth. Biology, Alejandra Timms. Chemistry, Imogen Nowicki. Computer Science, Minjia Yang. Drama, Natasha McCracken. DT, Mia Lockyer. English, Esme Sladen. Food, Ashpreet Digva. French, Nadia Vanderwald. Geography, Eva Caudron. German, Arya Handa. Greek, Mia Lockyer. History, Emily Keating. Latin, Faiza Bhatti. Mathematics, Imogen Nowicki. PE, Louisa Johnson. Physics, Ayushi Patel. And Religious Studies, Eva Caudron. Now on to the Year 10 Tutor Awards for contribution to the wider life of the school. 10B, Sophie Lewis. 10BR, Sana Soar. 10W, Kimmy Landa.